Oh my god, is Shopify going to charge me 5,000 or 15,000 per month in spite of they marketing rupees 20 per month? This is what the highest comment that I got when I said you can kickstart your e-commerce business at just rupees 20 per month. So I thought of creating a detailed video on how this is going to work out. Hey everyone, I'm Niveda Muralidharan, founder of Max and Niveda E Academy. I have trained over 50,000 plus people to kickstart their e-commerce business and help several D2C brands to skyrocket their sales. If you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you're subscribing to my channel. So I just created a dummy account, and if you want to create Shopify account where you can kickstart your e-commerce business, the link is below. You can just go there and give your email ID, then you will be able to start your Shopify account at just 20 per month for 3 months. First, you have to understand few things. I'll just click on select a plan and I will break things much easier for everyone. Now, there are three types of plans available in Shopify. One is basic, another is Shopify, another is advanced. Now, what they are saying is that this 20 rupees per month is valid for the first 3 months only. Okay, so after that, it will be like 1499, 5599, or whatever the costing is mentioned here. And there are other payments also available. There is something called transaction fees, currency fees also, which will be applicable to your plan. But majority of them have asked me this below question. Like if they click on choose basic, okay, you will be redirected to another page and they will be like, okay, see, the first 3 months is going for 60 rupees. Then you will be charged 1994 per month if you are choosing monthly plan. And now you will be paying 20 into 360 rupees, and then if you are going for an yearly plan you will be charged 17998, which means 1499 for 12 months, but you have to pay this amount in a single stitch. Now I am on a trial version actually, so just for 4 days there will be trial. If I come down and if I click on confirm billing cycle, many would have added UPI address. So many have mentioned that okay, we added UPI address. Now I can come here and I can add a UPI credit card, and there you will be getting a message in your mobile number saying that till 5,000 rupees they can debit it. So many people got scared. Hey, listen, Shopify is saying that only 20 rupees they'll be charging, but why am I charged for 5,000? Now there is something called RBI mandate rule. What RBI is saying is that there are a n number of rules. This is some basic understanding that I have got based on the multiple subscription that I have done. Till 5,000 rupees without your permission they can debit automatically. Automatic debit is possible if you enter your card details and if your billing amount is coming to less than 5,000. Now here they are going to charge only 20 rupees, no, so it can come automatically, it can go without any OTP. However, most of the credit cards in India is asking for an OTP as an additional validation. For example, I have one ICICI card which I got from Amazon ICICI card that is not asking me OTP, but some other cards are asking me OTP. It entirely depends on the platform that I use. It entirely depends on the the card that we are using. But the rule is this: above 5,000, they cannot charge you. That is what they're trying to say. So many said like, no, they said that they'll be charging only 20 rupees. But how can they debit 5,000? No, that is a limit. Above that it cannot go. So don't confuse between the limit and the billing cycle. So for example, if you're kickstarting, the first month it will be 20, second month 20, third month 20, and most of you would go only monthly charges. That's what business people generally prefer, because they're not sure if you're starting, know how stable the business is. So then you will be charged 1994 automatically. And I personally use phone pay, and for me it is not automatically debiting. So what I get, no, I get an email saying that okay, we were not able to debit you, and then I get a message, then I go manually and make a payment through my phone pay. So don't confuse between the message that you are getting and the payment that is going to happen. So 5,000 is the maximum limit that it can happen. Please ignore that message, which is an RBA rule. Maybe you can search internet also about the RBA rule, and then you will be charged as whatever the amount you are been using in this particular billing cycle. Also please note, this 20 rupees is only for the first 3 months. Again you will go on a higher plan. They are giving this so that you can get the maximum out of it. You can do a lot of practice. Even if you're planning to launch at a later point of time, my recommendation would be like, why don't you come here, test here, click on online store, add lots of themes, etc. So this will be really helpful for us. keep this 3 months as a practice session if you are very low budget and if you want to test lot of things by yourself. And if you want me to cover any other interesting topics in Shopify, especially for India, because for international there are many gurus available outside, but if you want me to cover any Indian topics specific to India, like shipping providers, payment gateway integration, anything, do mention in the comment box and I will be really happy to take it forward. If you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure to subscribing and hit on the bell icon to get instant notification. And if you want to learn e-commerce in 1 year, I have an interesting program. You can start e-commerce business with zero investment. Yes, I know some of the tips and tricks that you can copy and you can replicate in the next 1 month itself, where you can start with zero investment. Yes, I repeat my words. Without any investment, you can kickstart e-commerce business. The model is called drop shipping. I'll be sharing you the step-by-step process of how you can do this, and you can bring out the sales in the next 1 month itself. Apart from this, I'll be sharing you how you can convert this into a full-time business, what are the documents that you will need once you're planning to expand, and lot more I'm planning to cover. Everything like in day-to-day activities, what are the tips and tricks that I follow for e-commerce. Not only that, I also do affiliate marketing, I also run an agency, I also run an academy. I'm planning to share some of the daily activities that we do close to my heart, which help me to create a multi-crore business. All these secrets only for my 1 year marathon people. And after a few days, I'll be sharing you how you can scale it. So this will be a perfect business for you if you are having very, very less investment. I would highly recommend you to check out the link along with this video and join this marathon. I have only very limited slots available to take your career to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and turn on the bell notification of new GenMax Digital Solution.